Walking Macau Streets. Dear Lord, show me a sign. Give me a map. Oh yeah.
Okay, shout out to the two people from Hong Kong who came and said hello, and I got to have a really good conversation with them. You can see them a little bit behind me as they came up, and then I turned off the camera, but really good people. So I really like it, meeting some of the viewers as well. Anyways, this little area is chock filled with beautiful colors and a nice top 6 square. I think I'll explain it a little bit in the video, but this used to be like a field, and then there was a street that went through it, and then they covered it up, and then there's a big, beautiful plaza there now. So I'm going to start out and exploring that, and I'm going to go up the alley, and this whole area has this top 6 name, but this is just the alley. There's these different names, like a plaza, Hua, which is a street, different stuff, but this is called a Travessa. So anyways, nonetheless, let's just get into it. This is where it's at on the map. So now you know that, and I think more than anything, you just want to see it. So let's go see it together with my camera. Macau. Okay, so this is called Top Siac. So that's a Travessa. I don't think I've filmed it before, but it's actually quite beautiful right now. This the lighting of everything. So we're gonna try to capture all of this kind of cool imagery like this, and kind of go in and out, focusing on the street but going around it a little bit and kind of giving an idea of what it looks like. But yeah, very, very photogenic. So just some of these top 6 streets, and then this is a top 6 plaza as well. So let's focus on this, and so stay tuned for that. Okay, so that's top 6. So let me just kind of walk back and try to capture this from a distance. The lighting is just coming on too, so you have this beautiful lighting of this whole plaza as well. And then it opens up in this whole space over here. And you also have kind of a more space over there. I don't know what that is exactly, but and I think what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk towards this a little bit. We'll show you what this building is. Oh, it's the archives. It's the Macau archives. So you can actually find a lot of good history in the back, in this whole space in here. That might be the entrance right here. So let me just kind of go around the building a little bit. Yeah, this is the Macau archives right here. You can find some really beautiful old photos of Macau in here. And then they also had something with, it says profile of the artist profile. So they were doing like shipbuilding models. I think they were also doing one about pirates a couple years back. And then up there you can see, there's Gia Hill Lighthouse up there. So that's Gia Hill, and there's a lighthouse up at the top as well. And there's Grand Lisboa Casino over that way. So Travessa de Top Siac is right behind us. But and we also have this is Albuquerque, Alfonso de Albuquerque. It's a long street, it goes all the way down that way. I've walked it before. It takes about 20-minute walk probably. So we are going to go down our Travessa right here. It's a nice building though, wow. Especially when the lights come on like that. And this is, so it says the Archives of Macau. And if somebody wanted to come here, 9:30 to 6:30, Saturday 1 to 6, 1 to 5, 1 to 6. And then over here, These are all part of the just kind of proper Macau. All our tall buildings, lots of residential stuff. You can see some nice balconies over there too. These people are coming out of a tunnel right here. So they'll go under a tunnel on one side and come up the tunnel on this side. So before this used to be a thorough street, but now it's actually they basically, well, actually the original photos, this was a giant field. It's called like Dutch. A lot of Dutch people died in this field, so it's had some kind of Dutch reference. The Dutch tried to invade Macau and didn't go very well for them. That looks really nice right there too. So this original one, this whole field used to be like a Dutch field, and then they put a street right here, and the street name is it's kind of a long street name, and then they put this whole park all the way over it, and then they move the traffic so it goes down. So the traffic goes down that way, Rua de Campo, and then it goes underground like this and then comes out over here. So what we're gonna do next is we're gonna walk into our Travessa de Siac, and then we'll show you the other side as well. Okay. Some really nice lighting right now too. Wow. Okay, so we're gonna go through the Travessa de Siac, and then we're gonna come out to the other side. So there's our street sign, Travessa de Siac. And there's actually a Rua de Siac, but this is just a small little Travessa, and I don't think I've targeted it by itself before. Some beautiful architecture. See, there's actually like a little bit of a little thing right there so they can connect the two buildings as well. So that's the archives building, and this one, I don't know the name of this particular one. Let's kind of go this way a little bit. So now we're on I think this is called Rua de Siac right here. So now we're on the back side, so that's the archives. Another kind of similar building. Hello, how are you?
I always check the channel.
You do? That's good.
Yeah. Canada?
American. I'll turn off the camera. I'll say thanks to the two of them. They stopped by and I had a really good conversation. Really great people. So I'll just kind of conclude real quick. So this is the back side of this building, and I'm actually going to end the video. So
Toma cuidado da movimento.